If you don't like the whole situation,
No,
hang on, don't overtalk me because that's going to show me what you're doing to them. Okay. Now it's just the time to listen.
Do I get a new bond today?
I'm not giving you a bond because you couldn't act right while you were on bond, which shows me that you see where they were so frustrated with you that they said they will not do a pre-sentence report while you're on bond. So do you know what that means? You're going to revoke your bond and you're going to go to jail. Corbin Raley. Good morning. Are you Corbin Raley?
Yes, ma'am.
And Mr. Rojas, will your client waive the formal reading of the indictment?
He will, Your Honor.
Mr. Raley, in cause number 25 DCCR 1482, you're charged with the state jail felony offense of engaging in organized criminal activity. And that's from September 28th of 2025. And how do you plead to that charge?
Yes, guilty, right? Sounds thing. Right.
So did you do this?
Did you do it or did you not do it? If you did it, it's guilty. If you didn't do it, then it's not guilty and we have a trial.
I mean, I committed a misdemeanor under that.
The underlying offense is a misdemeanor assault, Judge, because it was in combination with 3 people or more. He feels it should be a misdemeanor, but Mr. Coleman and Mr. Nichols wouldn't reduce it.
And you've talked to him about what engaging in organized criminal activity means. So you've gone over all of this with Mr. Rojas, right?
A little bit, yeah.
All right, I'm going to hold the case. Y'all go talk.
Yeah.
Ask any questions you have of Mr. Rojas. Listen carefully to his answers. He's telling you what the law is, and then we'll decide. You can decide if you want to take the deal or not, or if you want to go to trial. State jail felony in cause number 25 DCCR 1482. How do you plead?
Guilty.
Are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily?
Yes, ma'am.
And are you pleading guilty because you did what they charged you with?
Yes, ma'am.
I have here on the tablet some documents that have your signature on them that the state's marks as exhibit number 1. Before you sign these, did you go over them with Mr. Rojas?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you fully understand them?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you understand if I follow the agreement that you've made with the district attorney that you'll be waiving or giving up any right to appeal?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, it looks like the agreement that you've reached is for a 3-year deferred probation. There would be a $500 fine and you would be required to follow all of the rules and conditions of probation. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you also understand if you're not a U.S. citizen that a plea of guilty or no contest may result in your deportation, exclusion from admission to the country, or denial of naturalization under federal law?
Yes, ma'am.
State tenders number 1.
No objection.
It's admitted. Is there any evidence that Mr. Raley is not competent?
No, Your Honor.
So, Mr. Raley, your unwillingness today at first to take responsibility gives me some concern.
Yeah.
What you guys were doing that day was absolutely ridiculous.
Yes.
And somebody could have been seriously hurt.
Yes, ma'am.
A paintball can cause all kinds of serious bodily injury.
Yes, ma'am. And I told Mr. Rojas I'd be willing to do anything civil matter with the victim. You know, I'm not a just horrible person. I'm a
No, I mean, y'all, it was ridiculous and stupid. And
Yeah.
you're lucky you're not here for an aggravated assault with a deadly weapon by shooting an eye or shooting somebody in the head in the wrong place.
Yes, ma'am.
3 people were shot just driving. You're lucky that y'all didn't get shot because somebody didn't think it was a real gun. And that's what people are doing everywhere now, is shooting people. So you're out there with a paintball gun, but you in turn could end up shot. So I just want to make sure you understand that giving me an opportunity to review this gives me some concern. You need to take advantage of this opportunity. You're very young. There's no reason for you not to be able to be successful and make some better decisions. But you need to understand the importance of this as felony court. Doesn't have anything to do with civil court. Doesn't have anything to do with paying them back. It has to do with you doing your probation right. And if you don't, you go to prison.
Yeah.
All right. So I'm going to find that you entered your plea of guilty freely and voluntarily. Find that you're mentally competent and you understand the nature and the consequences of your plea. Find sufficient evidence to find you guilty. However, I'm going to reset your case for sentencing just so I can get a little more information about you and your case, and then we'll come back later for sentencing. You need to stop and talk to probation on your way out of the courtroom today, and she's sitting at that desk right over there. All right? See you back at sentencing.
Yes, ma'am.
Mr. Rojas, Corbin Raley.
Morning.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning. How you doing?
I'm okay. How are you?
Very good.
So you're Corbin Raley?
Yes, ma'am.
And Mr. Raley, you were here just last week or the week before,
Yes, ma'am.
and you pled guilty to an offense and you were told to go to the probation department and do a pre-sentence report.
Yes, ma'am.
And I've gotten a memo from them that has some unfortunate information in here about how you acted while you were there and visiting with them?
Yes, ma'am. I it was over the phone when the lady was arguing and stuff. I just wanted the information on when I was supposed to meet the dude. That was it. And
That's not how this reads.
I,
They were so frustrated with you that they said they will not do a pre-sentence report while you're on bond. So do you know what that means?
my bond had to be paid off.
No, that means I'm going to revoke your bond
Okay.
and you're going to go to jail.
Okay.
And then they're going to come to the jail and do the pre-sentence report. And you're going to be respectful to them. Or I don't have to go along with this plea agreement.
Yes, ma'am.
So listen, it's time to get a whole different attitude about all of this. I understand. I remember now when you were here, you don't like the whole situation.
No,
Hang on, don't overtalk me. Because that's going to show me what you're doing to them. Okay. Now it's just the time to listen.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. And just do what you're told. There's not an excuse for what you did. That's not, you didn't just try to ask for some information. Okay. They wouldn't have sent this. They're very, very patient.
I just want to let you know I got a whole different view about it on the whole situation now too. I just got to meet my son for the first time on Friday. So
Well, this is very unfortunate.
Yeah.
So you'll, but here's the thing. There's no reason for you to still not get this probation, but I don't have a choice now, but to get this pre-sentence report done. So I'm going to, hang on, I'm going to revoke your bond. In your case at this time, you're going to go with the bailiff. Probation's going to come to the jail. They're going to do this pre-sentence report, probably not today.
do I get a new bond today?
I'm not giving you a bond because you couldn't act right while you were on bond, which shows me that you see where I'm.
Yeah,
the
can
problem-
we just like revoke the deal and take it to trial? I can't afford to go to jail, please.
You're going to jail regardless. Why?
Yeah, it's not-
Because, do you want me to read the memo?
the whole thing. Yeah, can we play the voice recordings of the phone call in here today too, if that's the case? Because if you're just gonna believe what she says, then I believe I have the right to fight on behalf of what I have to say, and we need to be able to play those phone recordings.
You're gonna
before
go
today.
do that, you're gonna go do that
Of
pre-sentence
course, we're not gonna
report,
play phone recordings today.
and you're gonna go and hopefully be respectful and hopefully get this probation and not ruin your life over this. This is very-
How long as you think I'll be in
It's
there?
a very temporary situation. Mr. Rojas can come back and talk to you. I'm revoking your bond at this time. I find it's in the best interest until sentencing that there not be a bond. You can go back with the bailiff.